Hello everyone, I'm Mike Sandoval with Remax Gold, and behind me is 5960 Cortes Court in the Cortes Estates, a brand new development in Sacramento. This great single-story home has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with great amenities. So without further ado, come take a tour with me. Now, wasn't that a great home? Well, in addition to this home, we also have 2 other units that are currently available, ready for occupancy, and we have 2 other lots that are available to be built on in the next 6 months. So when you're ready to take the tour with me, please reach out to me anytime at 916-798-9417. Mike Sandoval with Remax Gold, and I'll catch you next time.